Given the equation x minus 1 squared equals 4, solve the equation algebraically. So since I have perfect squares on the left and right, one thing we can do is take the square root of both sides. So if I have x minus 1 squared equals 4, and then I take the square root of both sides, remembering to put a plus or minus here, I'm going to have x minus 1 equals plus or minus 2. Now, if I have x minus 1 equals plus or minus 2, I can add 1 to both sides. So I'm going to have x equals 1 plus or minus 2. And 1 plus 2 would be 3, and 1 minus 2 would be negative 1. So my two solutions would be 3 or negative 1.